Today's quick video is about a tool I use all the time called the Appointment Planning Template. Let's dive in. This is the skeleton of the appointment planning template. At the top, you have who the appointment is with, date and time, where the appointment is, why you're going to this appointment, and I love this cue, things you need to bring. If it's a medical appointment, maybe you need to bring a list of your medications, you might need to bring your health card, wallet, medical reports, etc. If it's a financial appointment, you might need to bring statements, your bank card, credit cards, bills, etc. This section gives you the opportunity to do a brain dump where you can say what you need to say or ask any questions you have. There is a space provided below to write down information that has been given to you, the answers to your questions, test results, financial advice, any information you think it's important to remember. Importantly, it is your legal right to be communicated to in a way that is accessible to you. Any government-funded facility is bound legally to write things down for you if you have any troubles with remembering auditory information. For my clients with brain injuries, I sometimes encourage them to either give the sheet of paper to a loved one that they've brought with them to their appointment or ask their healthcare provider or government employee to please write down the most important points that they have to remember. At the bottom of this one-page document, it gives a space for follow-up tasks. For example, get blood work done, or inform your case manager, or follow up about an appointment with ophthalmologist. What I really like also is it has these checkbox beside so you can check them off when those tasks have been completed. Importantly, they have a space to prompt you to write down the date and time of your next visit. And I love this cue here too. Did you write it on your calendar, whether it's digital or hard copy? The beauty about this appointment planning template is it's quick, but it helps prompt you. It functions almost as a checklist to help you remember all of the relevant details, help prime your brain so you don't forget anything. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I go to medical appointments, if I'm feeling anxious or scatterbrained or haven't slept well, it's difficult for me to keep up with what my healthcare providers are saying, even though I am a healthcare provider and I'm familiar with a lot of the jargon. When it's you and when you're receiving complex information about your own health or stressful information about the state of your legal case or stressful financial information, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just go blank. So this tool is an external memory strategy. So you do a lot of your planning ahead of time. All you have to do if you're really drawing a blank is hand the sheet over to your provider and they can take it from there. What I also like about this template is that you don't actually need it in front of you. After practicing using it a few times, you don't need to print off this template or even draw it out per se. You just get in the habit of writing down all of the relevant details associated with your appointment, and you can follow the format without actually having the physical template with you. I often encourage clients to put this in their notes application, just the skeleton version, so that they can copy and paste it into a new note and fill it in as needed. And that way it's handy, it's on their phone, it's with them while they're out in the community. Most people bring their phones with them everywhere. What I also love about the appointment planning template is keep the page after you're done the appointment. Keep it in a special place, whatever your method of organization is, whether it's in a medical rehabilitation binder separated by different dividers, or whether you're more of a file folder system. The organizational system is between you and your speech language pathologist or occupational therapist. But either way, that way later when someone asks you for details about what happened in that session or what that provider said, you don't have to trust your retrieval robot. You can if you like, but if you're in a pinch, you can simply refer back to wherever you stored your appointment planning template and pull up all the relevant details. And that's it for the appointment planning template. Easy peasy, but so useful.